Hi everyone. Welcome back to Shasha Voyage. I am Shasha. Don't forget to hit the free subscribe button and ring the bell so you will not miss any of our future videos. Today we are going to talk about a very unusual spider. Not the kind that spins webs, but one that can actually build houses. The Charlotte Spider Robot. Why build a robot like this? Think about it. Most traditional industrial robots are stuck in factories, repeating the same welding or assembly task over and over. They are precise, but they cannot handle complex, unpredictable environments. But what about construction sites, disaster zones, or even future moon bases? Those environments are irregular, dangerous, and constantly changing. Wheels and tracks cannot handle them well. That is why the Australian company Crest Robotics created Charlotte, a six-legged robotic spider that can move like a living creature, while carrying tools to perform real construction tasks. Let us check out demonstration of Charlotte Spider Robot. What can it actually do? Charlotte's biggest highlight is fast construction. With a 3D printing system, it can extrude concrete or other materials layer by layer, building walls and structures. Reports say that under ideal conditions, Charlotte could print a 200 square meter house in just 24 hours. Imagine this after an earthquake or flood, where traditional construction might take weeks or months. Charlotte could provide emergency housing within a single day. That is revolutionary for disaster relief, remote housing, or even military outposts. And here's the exciting part. Crest Robotics is not just thinking about Earth. They are working with partners to explore Charlotte's potential in lunar construction. Because in the future, if humanity really wants to build on the Moon or Mars, we will not be able to ship construction materials from Earth. We'll need to use local resources like lunar soil. Charlotte could be the one to print our first extraterrestrial homes. How is it different from traditional robots? Compared to the robotic arms we see in factories, Charlotte is highly mobile. Its 6 legs allow it to traverse rocks, slopes, and rough terrain. Multifunctional. It can swap out tools, from 3D printing heads to cutters or inspection devices. Autonomous. It uses sensors and AI to navigate unpredictable environments. Versatile, useful, not only in construction, but also in inspection, maintenance, and even space exploration. Challenges and limitations. Of course, Charlotte is not perfect yet. It faces some big challenges. Energy and endurance. Printing a house requires enormous power. Precision moving robots introduce vibration and error, which must be corrected. Material issues. Concrete on Earth and lunar dust on the Moon behave very differently. Cost. Development and maintenance are expensive, and it is not clear if it can truly compete with traditional methods. Looking ahead, still, Charlotte gives us a glimpse of a possible future. In disaster zones, it could save lives by building shelters. In space, it might be the first to build homes on the Moon. And on Earth, it could change the way we think about construction sites altogether. So here is the big question. Do you think the construction sites of the future will be filled with human workers or robotic spiders? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.